So right here I've got the Osprey microthermal. I'm going to do a quick tutorial video on it. So on this side we're going to have our USB-C plug-in. That's where we're going to be able to charge this bad boy or transfer our video files or photo files from this. It is going to come with a Picatinny rail and RMR adapter, so you'll basically just use these 4 screws that you'll find on either side to remove that and replace that. And then we're going to have our battery housing, which we're going to house one of our 2 batteries it'll come with, and then we've got our power toggle, and then we've got our photo and video recording activation switch. So we've got ourselves a touch screen on this bad boy. If we swipe left or right, we're going to start cycling through all of our different heat maps and heat modes, and you're going to see a little square popping up, and that is basically tracking the hottest point on the screen at any given time. We're going to be able to swipe up, and that's going to start changing through our reticle settings, and then if we swipe down, we're going to start changing through our reticle colorations. What we can also do is double tap on the screen to start applying our zoom, and we're going to have up to 3 times zoom on this unit. Sorry, one hand is a little hard to operate. We can hold our screen, and that's going to bring up our menu settings, where we're going to be able to access our brightness levels, our image contrast, our zeroing, and if we tap on that, we can access our X and Y axis, where we're going to essentially be able to toggle between Y and X and increase or decrease those values. Back out to get out of that setting, and then we're going to be able to go through our language settings, auto power off, date and time stamps, themes for menu colors, digital image enhancing, color palette adjustment, factory reset, basically our info, burn protection to prevent screen burn-in, hot track, which is going to be that little red toggle, the little square hopping around. And then again, we're going to get back to our brightness. Toggle out to get out of there. Down here on the screen, we're going to have our time on. So right now I've had this on for 2 hours and 4 minutes, and we still have a good chunk of battery left. We're going to have our magnification settings, and then you're going to see red hot, iron hot, black hot up here on the top of the screen. But yeah, that's the Osprey unit in a nutshell. Pretty awesome little unit right over here.